Hi, this is Josh with Resort TV 1, and today we're taking you on a relaxing stroll through Frontierland at night in 4K ultra low light. We hope you enjoy the video, and please remember to subscribe to Resort TV 1 and click the notification bell to enable notifications every time we go live or have a new video. Also, be sure that you check us out on social media. We're Resort TV 1 on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So, let's get started. And in my opinion, the parks are most magical at night, so I love that our ultra low light camera can do these relaxing strolls at night so well, and hope you guys enjoy them also. It's great too because it's a lot less crowded here at night, so we're able to show you the parks not only when they're so magical at night, but also when the crowds are lower. And because this is a relaxing stroll, I will narrate some, but I will also just let you enjoy the sights and sounds of Frontierland. That's Pecos Bill there. Got Splash Mountain over there you can hear. Great view of Cinderella Castle right there through the trees. There you can see where the logs come when they come right down Chickapin Hill there, and then they come around that bend. All right, let's go take a look at Big Thunder Mountain Railroad.
If you get tired of holding your coins, give them on to your daddy, okay?
If you've never ridden Big Thunder Mountain at night, you definitely should. It's really beautiful at night. There's the entrance to the Tom Sawyer Island rafts. Of course, it's closed at this time of night. And here we have the entrance to Splash Mountain as well as the Frontierland Railroad Station.
Yeah.
Love all the cacti here. Definitely sets the scene nicely. Gives it a nice Western ambiance. Here are the stars of Splash Mountain, Brer Fox, Brer Bear, and Brer Rabbit. Still 35 minutes for Splash Mountain, so sometimes those wait times at night can be a little bit inflated, but still fairly busy. All right, we're gonna head down this other path here that takes us closer to the rivers of America. We'll see how we do here in ultra low light. It looks like we're able to see quite a bit. See how much we can see of Tom Sawyer Island over here as we get around the bend. And here is, again, that same bend on Splash Mountain, right after you come down the Chickapin Hill here. And there they come, and now they're wet. We'll walk down the main street there in just a few minutes, but first we're going to walk down this path. There's Big Thunder Mountain. Harper's Mill looks great over there. There's Cinderella Castle as well as the Liberty Bell dock, and the Liberty Bell is actually under refurbishment right now. So is a big part of the Rivers of America here. You can't see it from here, but part of it actually is drained. So I've never seen that before. Hopefully soon they'll have it all worked out and back in tip-top shape. Everybody's running to try and get in that last ride. Let's take another look at Harper's Mill here. There you can see that the water is emptied out of the rivers of America here. And we'll head back into Frontierland to check out the main street. One of the best things here in Frontierland is the arcade here. I know it's hard to see the sign because it's so brightly lit, but let's go look at the shooting arcade. Here's the trading post. And you know, when this main drag here really empties out, you know that it's late at night because this is generally packed with people. And here you see that there are just a few people here.
And that roller coaster in front of you, right? That's the roller coaster. The one with...
Well, here we are at Pecos Bill's Tall Tale Inn and Cafe, which means we have come full circle and we have finished our relaxing stroll around Frontierland in ultra low light. We hope you enjoy the video. Please remember again to leave us a like and a comment. Let us know, do you like these relaxing ultra low light strolls? And what else would you like to see in the future as a relaxing ultra low light stroll? Also, be sure to check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com for the best in free Disney vacation planning advice. Also, check out WindowRepairParts.us and use the coupon code ResortTV1 for 20% off your purchase on WindowRepairParts.us. Also, make sure you check out MainStreetDVCResale.com. See how easy it is to sell your DVC commission-free. There's Splash Mountain there as we finish the video. So again, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next stroll. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye. Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.